So the Bitcoin outlook for 5th of August, Tuesday. My yesterday's plan kind of worked out. I said we're gonna see higher prices. We did. We saw pretty high prices, but it was kind of choppy. So yeah, that was kind of disgusting. On the other side, so we tapped this upper deviation line of this bearish fair value gap, and there we actually met a lot of willing sellers. As you can see from here, you can see how price went up and started kind of consolidating, being slow, couldn't push above these highs, couldn't go higher, and then we started seeing some bearish intent in the form of new gaps being created. I feel like this is just a rebalancing move for us to go even higher, because here we have a daily fair value gap or imbalance, whatever. So from there, would be nice to see higher prices still. I'm still kind of bullish, at least on TradingView. I feel like this is only a move that is supposed to retest this whole order block. It's to be expected. I just want to see long still, potentially even from this gap, but it's kind of low. If this gap gets invalidated, completely ran through, closed above, it's an easy indication that you can long for these at least. Looking at extra charts, we have a similar picture as on TradingView. We broke down out of this range, kinda accepted, but then we came into these points of control and completely displaced, leaving a buying tail. This just shows you how bullish we actually are. So now I'd still like to see bullish movement. I'd like to see this lower deviation of the VWAP get closed above, accepted, and then we can look for higher prices. In terms of the weekly, we are still rejecting, coming back into previous week's value area, as you can see. So I'd just be careful about longs still. You always want to be cautious looking at these levels, because we rejected from these levels. We couldn't really stay in this previous week's value, so yeah, we kind of showed intent on going lower, bearish. So be careful about this level, but if it gets a run through, if we accept back into previous week's value, it's a easy longs.